Hi, welcome back to our channel Hard to Set Pro, and today I want to share with you how to use Superwhisper to summarize voice notes on your iPhone 17. So if you often record quick voice notes but you hate listening to them later, Superwhisper on your iPhone 17 will save you a ton of your time. So not only does it transcribe your voice notes, but it can also summarize them automatically so you get the key points instantly. To start with, you have to open Superwhisper on your iPhone 17, and in the bottom left corner of your screen you have to tap here Modes and select, for example, voice mode right here if you want an exact transcription of your words. Or you can select note mode if you want the application to organize your thoughts as it transcribes. So you have to record your note, or you can import an existing audio file if you are a Pro subscriber. And in order to record your note, you have to tap this red button to start your recording, just like this. And basically to end it, you have to tap again this red button in order to stop recording. And the application will convert your speech into a clean text, but it will capture every single detail that you mention. Next, you have to use custom prompts to, let's say, compress the transcript. So when you customize your prompt, here in the settings, I will show you, go to settings and go to specific mode that you want to customize. Let's go, for example, for this one, and enter prompt section. You can see your prompt right now and you can apply any changes to it. So basically, when you customize it, you can tell Superwhisper, for example, to highlight only the main ideas. You can ask him to create bullet points, or you can ask him to write a brief summary suitable for quick review. So just write that prompt for Superwhisper that will meet all your criteria, and every single next time that you say something to Superwhisper, it will follow those instructions. And also you can look up on internet for different prompts for Superwhisper. I forgot to mention that. You can see how different people use their Superwhisper, which prompts they set for Superwhisper application. And basically, when your summary is ready right here, you can copy it to Notes, your email, or any other application that you actually need. So just tap here Send button, and from here you can see a couple of options that you can use in order to share your note. So it can be AirDrop, Messages, Mail, Notes, and some others. Or for example, if the needed application is not on the list right here, you can simply copy this text and paste it to needed platform. And basically this way you will spend far less time reviewing long recordings, and you can actually focus on the most important information. So in conclusion, I would say that Superwhisper can turn your voice notes from scattered recordings into organized, readable summaries, making it a huge productivity booster on your iPhone 17. So I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.